Okay, hello. I hope you're having a good day so far. I'm going to show you some uh, features of the 3DSupra program when you're using it offline. I have a separate video where I demonstrate using 3DSupra when it's connected to the HAS200, and you get that full SCADA performance where it animates according to the movements of the actual system. But I'm going to show you what it looks like offline. It's a little more limited, but it's worth taking a look at. So if you install 3DSupra on your computer and it's posted on Blackboard, if you have Windows, you can install it. It'll show up as this folder, 3DSupra, and there's a bunch of things in it. And the one you want to click is 3DSupra Initiate. You do that, this white window comes up, and let's take a look at that. I'm going to click on that. And I'm also going to move this around so we can see it. Okay, so this is what the main window looks like. If we were connected to the actual HAS200 system, we would click Connect to Hardware. But in this case, we're just going to use it offline. So I'm going to just start with Tool 1. To open a tool, you just double click it. And again, let me just resize this so it fits in the window. And so this is what you get. It has a version of the system here. This is actually made in SolidWorks, and the parts move the way the actual parts move in the system. So if you want to try them out, what I recommend you do is you click on this Outputs tab. There's Inputs, Outputs, and Data Info. And then if you click any one of these are all the actuators. The A is the box feeder. So this is Station 1, Tool 1, which is the one that just places a multicolored box onto the conveyor. So if you click A, if you notice, I don't know if you saw that, you see the animated version of the box actuator moves out. Okay. And then the actuators B and C are the ones that are designed to select different columns of the box from the box holder. So there's actuator C. We can leave that like that. Actuator D is the vertical manipulator, the one that moves down and up. E is rotational. Okay, and F is the one that moves F is the one that moves out to grab a box and then back in. G is the one that moves the whole assembly out toward the conveyor, and then G minus moves it back. We can also turn the lights on and off. There's the red light, yellow light, green light. Okay, so again, you're not going to get that animated process going on here because there's no controller attached here to run the logic of that, but you can just get a sense of how each of the components moves. Now, one thing you can do, it's that you can actually move this view around, but the interface is a little bit clunky, takes a little getting used to. I like to keep it on the turn mode. What you can do is spin this around. It doesn't really give you a good way to zoom in or out, but you can spin the view. And if you do it, take your time and do it slowly, you can actually, get some different angles. So I can kind of look at it from the point of view of the button panel. And so you can see the box pusher a little bit better here. I can move the box stalker. You can rotate yeah, it's a little harder to see that because it's behind one of those posts. So anyway, you can play around with this. So what I suggest you do is just go through each of the stations and open them up and just go through each of the actuators and try them out. And keep in mind what the function of that actuator is in the process. what it would be doing in the actual process of whatever the station is supposed to do. All right, so I'll leave the rest to you. You can explore. So remember, you just close up the station. To open a new station, you just double click it, and that goes out of the window. Let me just resize this window here. So it comes up like this. And then click the Outputs tab, and then you can go ahead and manipulate the different outputs. Can't really see A there. There we go. This is actually the filling station for the blue pellets, station 2. It's a bit more on the station, so there we go. If I spin it around, you can get a better view of actuator A, the box pusher. So again, very similar to the other one, except it has the hopper. And okay, I'll leave you with that. And remember, there's another video that shows the actual system connected and how it behaves when connected to the HAS 200. All right, see you later. Bye.